Yo. It's wild. Yo. Ano to? It should have been here. It should have been here. Okay. So, nakita ko lang tong larong to sa itch.io and I thought, maybe I should try this out. So yeah, we're going to playing a game called Map Friend. Nakita ko lang to sa itch and I wanted to try it out. So yeah. And may rinig kayo dito. And oh look. Ito, may natin to dito. Okay. Did you know, click on a location to go there. Exploring is fun with Map Friend. Okay. Natin dito. Go back tayo. I think, okay. I don't need to repeat twice. So. Paano bumalik dito? What the heck? Okay, look around. Okay, looks good naman. Ano kailangan ko gawin dito? Hindi ko alam. Can I go out? Hindi. Okay. Bro, ano gagawin ko ngayon? Lakad lang ako? Explore orbs? Okay. So, puntahan ko to. Okay. I think we have to go. Tama ba? Ito ba sinasabi nila? Punta ako dito? Okay. Ako dito. Okay. So. Oh, ito pala. Okay. Westwater View is a parking spot that provides camping amenities to visitors of Lake Westwater. Camping amenities. Okay, blah blah blah. Did you know MapFriend automatically gathers facts about locations? I didn't need to know that, pero sige. Okay. Paano to? Okay. Ayun lang pala. Ano next? Ito lang? Okay. Oh, pwede ka pala mag-zoom in dito. Damn. So, ano next? So, now that we've done that, but may... Okay, mamaya na yan. Tignan lang natin kung ano meron dito. Tignan lang natin dito sa iba. Ano to? Alam mo, nakakamiss yung ganitong PC eh. Kahit di naman ako pinanganak sa time na yun. Ano to? Willow Forest. I put this relatively unknown forest on number 5. Willow Forest is actually really beautiful. Di naman ako pupunta dyan eh. Di ko alam yun eh. Okay. Uy! Oh no! Ano kayo? Sundan ko daw to sabi. Okay, nakuha ko yan. Okay, 1 orb. Collect more explore orbs to travel to new locations. Okay. Nagulat ako dun, buisit. Okay, so ano next dito? Okay. Ano meron? Okay. Puro puno lang. Tapos, Willow Beach is located on the shores of Lake Westwater. The closest town is Westwater Township. As of the 2004 census, its population was 567 and contained 2. Di ko alam. Bulag ako. Basta 200 something housing units. The town is most known for the infamous Petersburg airship where the... Okay, cliffhanger. Okay, another orb. Okay, so dito naman tayo next, I guess. But sa may tubig. Sa may tubig. Okay. Huh? No info on this location. Maybe something is wrong. I think you're looking for somewhere else. I don't know. Oh, may orb yan. Ayan. Okay, nakuha na ako ng orb. Tatlo na siya. Search for new places. Okay. Next. Type ko lang. Oh! Add care DZ. Saan yan? Enter. Okay. Cool game, I guess. Where are we flying to now? What do you mean, did you know where? What do you mean? Saan to? Okay, kung may narinig ko yung motor, pasensya. Katabi lang kasi namin yung highway. The ends... Huh? Huh? You seem to be in an area with a lot of data. Are you sure you're looking right? Siguro, di ko naman mabasa eh. Okay. Okay, yan. Hey, you found another explore orb. Okay. Okay. We're not gonna lie. Punta natin dito. This is kinda creepy. Yan. What? Okay, di ko ito mabasa. Okay, nakuha natin yan. Okay. So, ito lang ba gagawin natin? Tayo. Ano meron dito? Nababaan ko lang yung volume ng headset ko. Oh, the Gobi Desert. Did you know it was a pleasure flying with you? What do you mean? Ano po ibig sabihin mo dyan? So dito naman tayo next to yung last. Oh na. Oh na. So dito tayo. Location missing na naman. Sorry, map friend can't help you with this location. I'm just the co-pilot. Huh? Okay, nakuha natin. Nakuha ba natin yung orb? Ay, hindi. Yun. Nakuha na. Search for a new place. Okay. Ano yan? Ano to? Oh! Coordinates. So, may na-type tayo. Did you know the crosswinds were steady at 20 knots? Now it's 30 knots. Ba't may aeroplano dyan? Okay, hindi ko naman kailangan yan. What? Did you know you could have known Captain? Okay. Hindi na madali. Sa aeroplano. Yo! It's wild. Yo! Ano to? It should have been here. It should have been here. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. So, I guess yun lang yung laro? I don't know. Wait. Try ko ulit buksan. Okay, upon further inspection, yun lang ata yung laro. So, this is gonna be a very short video and yun lang. Abangan nyo yung part 2 ng Minecraft series ko. Goodbye!